This is tax deductible. Why? It was done for this event. Who would like to buy it? What would you pay for it, sir? $500? Who will pay more than $500 for it? One of a kind. There's not another one anywhere on the planet. How much, sir? $1,000. How much, sir? How much, sir? Yes, sir. How much? $4,000. Anybody more than $4,000? First guy that walks up here and gives me 10 grand can have the suit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, be careful now. There it is, dude. Hey, why do you sit so far away, dumbass?
My seats are right here.
Look, he's about to die. He could have a heart attack right now. He ran 100 yards.
Listen, I don't want this. I grew up without a dad. You said it's going to charity? I'll give you 20.
His name's Joe Lane, by the way. Okay. He says, hey man, look, there's a little bit of cursing in her, so I didn't want that ugly ass thing. It was never about the jumpsuit. Some people, I'll never forget this line, some people are so broke, all they have is money. It's your fault. You only got $20,000 for the thing. I had a lot more. I went ahead and left it with Sherry and told her I'd love to gift it to your girls. However, feel free to throw the thing away if you don't want it lying around the house, or you can frame that shit and put it in Jared's office. The reason he was sitting so far back in the room, he gave his front row ticket to somebody else. Okay? I know everyone likes to call you Uncle G, but you're much more than that to me. That's why I choose to call you Dad. You've done more for me than most men in my life, and I can't thank you enough. Unlike my real dad, who is still alive, but he's homeless and is collecting cans on the beach in California, and he doesn't want my help. All he wants is my money. Joe Lane.